To remove your cabin light, first thing you need to do is take the lens off. Then using a T20 Torx, unscrew the 2 screws there. Now to remove this part, you need to pull out this tab here and this one on the left. Just place a screwdriver in and just twist out, and then the same on the other side. There you go.